Hi dolls. Can we pretend like I didn't disappear off the face of the earth for a second? Okay, cool. Today's video is the first of a two-part restoration that includes a number 3 Ponytail Barbie and a can. I start off by giving Ken a good scrub. To fix the splayed legs, I tie them together. And I dip him in boiling hot water. Which I'm then going to save for later. To take care of the stain on his head, I use Remove Zit. Denture tablets seem to work better in hot water, so I let his limbs rest in the solution for a couple of days. To deactivate the stain paste, I used Formula 911. The flocking is so thin and sparse that I simply went over it with a thin layer of Elmer's glue. You may be wondering where I've been this whole time or why I stopped making videos. And there isn't one single good reason why I did this. My priorities kind of shifted. Between trying to keep my Etsy shop and trying to finish my doll line all by myself, I just haven't been paying attention to YouTube lately. And I sprinkle on the flocking. I feel like I put in so much effort and it just never really quite paid off, so I find it very hard to commit in the long run. I can't promise to upload as regularly as I did before, but I'll definitely try to make an effort from now on. I'll definitely pop in once in a while when I have a project worth sharing. But thank you for sticking with me. Then I tap the excess off. I cleaned up the hairline with a Q-tip. As the paint was kind of fading, I refreshed it ever so slightly using acrylic paints. To protect my paint job, I sealed it with satin sealer. As he still had very light staining on his forehead, but it was really irking me, I went in with benzoyl peroxide. And I let him rest in the sun for a couple of days, which took care of it completely. And with that, we are done. Please consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And stay tuned for part 2.